Welcome to our tutorial about linking to properties. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to link notes to custom properties. First, let's activate the Note tool. Now, let's insert a note somewhere here. Let's type the date, colon, and now I'll select the Link to Property button. Let's use custom properties from the current document. And let's choose the short date property. Click OK. If I want to insert more than one property, let's, for demonstration purposes, enter some text here. And now we can insert another property after our text. Let's choose long date. And we can adjust the appearance using this formatting toolbar. I'm going to double-click on the long date, edit the formatting. We'll change the font size. And let's click OK. OK, let's try something else now. If I right-click and select Edit Text in Window, we see that the long date and the short date are coded to display in our note. OK, let's cancel out of this for now. And this concludes our tutorial about linking to custom properties.